Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome to today's video. I want to start off by saying that I'm not showing any of these gifts to brag or to show off or anything of that sort. I'm just excited. I want to show you the things I got, and just cause it's fun. Start with this one beauty that I'm wearing. My sweetheart got me this necklace. I told him I would love to have like a little necklace with my initial on it. Sure enough, he did get me this one. I think it's so much fun, and yeah, and that's in gold. So that was so special. Another accessory he got me was this anklet. It's so pretty and dainty. It's actually tri-tone, so it's gold, silver, and rose gold. So unique. I've never had anything like that before, so I thought that was really fun. Another thing that my sweetheart got me, I love him for this. He got me a Sephora gift card. I have some future shopping to do, and I'm so excited. He knows how much I love shopping, especially from Sephora. I like to wait for like a lot of good deals to happen, so that's always super, super fun. And then my parents actually got me a gift card to Sephora as well, and my sister, with our family's like Secret Santa gift exchange, she also got me a gift card to Sephora, and she got me this super, super cozy blanket. I'll have to show you guys a little bit later, but this is like this and Marshall's. Oh, I love shopping at Sephora and Marshall's the most. This next one my sister-in-law got me. This is the Frozen 2 ColorPop collection. It is so pretty. I'm not going to show you guys the inside because I do have a video coming up on this very soon, so I'll get to explore this with all of you, but I can show you the outside. So this was kind of like the layout. There was a eyeshadow palette right here that had really beautiful colors. You could also Google it, I guess, if you really wanted to. Then there was a lipstick, a glitter gel, which this is the coolest thing. I can't wait for my video. And then there was this lip gloss as well, which is so pretty. Oh my goodness. She also got me some cozy things. So my favorite style is like New York high class. I love that classy look, and I've always wanted a pair of gloves. So Miss Andrea got me these beautiful gloves. They're so soft. They have like little flowers on the fingertips so you can still use your phone, which I think is so cool. I've been wearing them nonstop. I'm gonna wear these out so fast. I might have to go get like a couple more pairs, and they're fuzzy on the inside. So soft, you guys. I felt so spoiled. Oh my goodness. He also got me this like super cute little CC like headband. It's also super soft in the side. There's a theme going on here. It's so soft and cozy. And yeah, so I love this. It's so perfect for the winter. It is so cold here in Oregon, so I'm like set up for success. Speaking of cozy things, I told you guys in my Christmas gift ideas for women, as well as in the stocking stuffers, and my husband mentioned it in the Christmas gifts for men, that socks are the way to go. Even my sister-in-law got socks. Like, everyone loves a sock. And my mother-in-law got me a new pair of these. I showed you guys in the women's video how torn and old my last pair was from last Christmas. These are my all-time favorite fuzzy socks. Like, all-time favorite. They literally have holes in them. Like, look how bad that is, but I refuse to get rid of them because they are the only things that keep my feet super warm. So I was so excited to see that she got me another pair. I've been wearing them nonstop. In the bottom of them, like, all dirty already. They already need to be washed, and I don't want to wash them because then they won't be as fuzzy, but I'm just so stoked. Seriously, fuzzy socks, the best. Anything will make me happy, seriously. I'm so, so thankful for anything anyone ever wants to gift me. There's no non-gratefulness happening. The last item my sister-in-law got me is this awesome Starbucks cup. It is so cool. It is so cool. It's a holographic, I think is the right word, rainbow. It's so pretty. It's got the foil inside. It says Starbucks on the side. It's so pretty, you guys. I wish you could see it in person because it looks even prettier than it does on the camera. I just love this. Thank you so, so much. My mother and father-in-law got me this styler from Bedhead. I probably should grab the box. This is the Bedhead Smooth Operator. So I've already been using this. I have a video coming up on this very soon too. There will be videos on a lot of these items, so be prepared. Some of you guys may not know, but I actually do my own nails. I don't have any nails on right now. I just took off all my nails yesterday or maybe 2 days ago, and I'm just kind of giving them a little bit of a break to strengthen up before I put on something else, because I usually keep mine on for 3 or 4 months. We're gonna give them a break, but hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to test this out. I've been dying to try these. This is the Dip Powder from Lavender Violets. How cool is that? I'm so pumped. There's steps to this. I believe you put on the base. I don't know if you have to cure this or not. I might have to look up and see exactly if you're supposed to use a UV light or not. But it's my understanding that you use the base and then you put on this activator. You dip your nail into the powder. Maybe you only have to do that once. You might have to do that more than once. I'm not positive. We'll have to look into this. We will be having a video on this too. Of course, we have to try this out together. There's a silver, a black with sparkles, it looks like. There's a white with sparkles, and then there's a gold with sparkles. All sparkly tones, but I'm super pumped. Oh, it looks like there's instructions inside. I haven't opened this yet because I've been waiting to show you guys all of these items before I open them up, but this will be coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for like all the things, basically. My husband got me this one. This is so cool. So cool. I almost went and bought this myself, and then everyone's been saying like, no, you can't buy things yourself before Christmas. This one's awesome because it comes with a base coat and a top coat, and I'm almost out of mine. This is gel, so I was so excited to get those. But then you have this foil kit. So it's like a different way to do your nails. Instead of using gel, you can use this really cool foil. So yeah, we will get into that also at a later date. There's even like a glow in the dark one in here. This has been a long time coming, you guys. I've had my eye on these things for months and months. This is gonna be awesome. My sweet husband also was so attentive to when we filmed together because I mentioned how getting lotion for women is always a good idea. And I was like, even a bottle of vino, it's great. So he got me a bottle of a vino. But I can't believe he got me a bottle of a vino. I'm so pumped. I'm already like a third of the way down in my first bottle. I only got it about a month ago. I am huge into anti-aging. It's just moisturizing and keeping your skin nourished. So I use this all of the time. So I'm excited to have this again. Last Christmas, he got me this really cool like loofah, but it was one where you could put the soap inside of it. It was really awesome, and I ended up loving it. I use it every single day. You can just replace the soaps and everything, but it started ripping. I kind of casually mentioned to him like, hey, do you think it could be like a tradition to where we get a new one of those every Christmas and then we can have a new one each year? Because that one was getting pretty torn. He got me 4, and I know this is only 3, but he's using the green one right now, but I'm going to probably use the pink. Now we have extras, although these feel like better quality than the last one did, so I'm hoping these last even longer, and maybe we won't have to get new ones next Christmas, but this is seriously the most convenient thing. If you guys don't have this in your shower, I highly recommend getting this. If you want to go out and look at any of these, I'll have the links in the description box so you can take a look at those. But I think this was only $6 or $7 on Amazon for all 4 of them. Such nice gifts for you, for anyone. I have a new bar of soap I wanted to show you guys. This is called the Black Soap. Oh, it's from Plant Life. And honestly, this is the softest soap ever on my skin. This is one of the few soaps that my skin doesn't react to, which I'm very, very appreciative of. But you just undo the little pull tie thing and you just stuff the soap inside, and it fits all sizes. So it doesn't matter really how big the soap is. You just pull the string and then tighten it, and then your soap is in there. So when you're in the shower and you lather it up with water, it gets all sudsy. So then you have a loofah and soap at the same time, and it's fantastic. My sweetheart also got me some more makeup products. He actually got me 2 of each. I was like, why did you get 2? He's like, I don't know anything about makeup, so I figured more is more. And I was like, well, yes and no. I asked him if I could return those so I can pick out some more of the Palladio products so we can do a video on Palladio again. Earlier this year, I did a video on Palladio's rice powder and their lip gloss, which to this day, that's why he got me another lip gloss, because it is the most juicy, amazing, beautiful lip gloss ever, you guys. Highly recommend that. So good. I won't tell you what the other 2 products are because we're going to do a video on those, but I'm going to pick out 3 more of Palladio's products and review them as a whole so we can kind of explore the brand even more, because I have been incredibly impressed so far. They're so inexpensive, so good, so good. The last thing, I think this is the last thing that my husband got me. Oh, it's not. I have one other thing to show you. He spoiled me. Everyone spoiled me. Oh my gosh. My husband also got me a new pair of Lululemons, and I cannot believe that he did because those are expensive. My favorite style from them is the Align pant. So comfortable. They make you feel so like small, and they're just the most cozy thing ever. And I mentioned a few times that I wanted another pair of them just so I don't wear out these ones, because these ones I got during my $2,000 shopping spree. I just don't want to wear them out because I wear them rather frequently, and so I figured it'd be good to have 2 so then I can alternate and make them last longer. He's like, I shopped that website and I had no idea what I was doing, and so he picked out ones that he thought I would like, which honestly, you guys, isn't that way more special when they pick out something they think you would like? I think it's the sweetest thing. So the one he ended up getting me, I forget what this one is called. It doesn't say on here what style this is, but this is a more like athletic style. The Align pants are way more like soft, stretchy, more like loungewear kind of a one. And these are more like spandexy. Like they're very tight. They do have pockets, which I think is so cool. I love that they have pockets, and they're definitely made more for being sweat resistant, working out. So I was like, yes, I love them. I'm not a super workout girl, but I'm always talking about how I want to work out more. So this might help me. I really love to get into running someday. I really hate running. Maybe someday I'll end up loving it. He also got me all of these face masks. That man, like, he just knows me so well. He is seriously my Prince Charming, you guys. So sweet. I love face masks, and these are actually fantastic. I've already tried a few of them. There's hydrating, skin clearing, refreshing, smoothing. They're wonderful, and he got tons. That was like a huge surprise. He got me a couple other makeup products. I actually technically ordered these on Black Friday, so I ordered them, but they were from him for Christmas. So it's the Velour Lip Scrub Blue Freeze from Jeffree Star, like the best lip scrub. And then I also got concealer. I've been mentioning that C11 is on the way. It was actually C7, so C7 arrived, but I love this concealer. It works so good. I like to get a shade that's more my skin tone for concealing blemishes, and then a lighter shade for the under eye and such for brightening. So he got me these 2, technically. Another beauty product, this one is actually from my mom, a Bath & Body Works shower gel. Basically smells like heaven, so good. This is called Little Black Party Dress. Seriously, so good. Tony loves it too, so that was like a win-win. Last thing, this is like the most thoughtful gift ever. He looked through hundreds of our wedding photos, because I mentioned that I wanted a canvas of our wedding photo, or a wedding photo, to go above our bed. So he picked this one out of all of our photos and got it printed for me. Or I guess technically for us. Isn't that so sweet? He picked such a good one. So perfect. Thank you guys so much. All my family, you guys are so sweet to get me all of these things. I also forgot to mention that my brother gave us some jerky. He makes jerky for a living. It's so good. It's so smoky too, and we look forward to it whenever he wants to give it to us. We're just like, yes! And my sister and my brother-in-law made us some delicious sweet loaves, chocolate and lemon. I think there was a banana. So good. Thank you so much to them for making us those sweet treats. And this was the blanket. This was the blanket that my sister got me. It's so cozy. This was seriously such a lovely Christmas. I'm so grateful for all of these gifts. I just cannot say that enough. Gifts are such a unnecessary item. Like, my love language is gifts. I love getting gifts and giving gifts especially. I think it's the most special thing to give something to someone that just, and it brightens their day. I just love that. But seriously, the most important thing about Christmas is love, family and friends. And so it doesn't matter what you got for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed the day with family and friends. I'm so thankful for everything I have. I'm so thankful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll come back soon. I hope you'll subscribe. I would love that. Our YouTube family is slowly growing and it is the coolest thing ever. It just makes me smile so big when I see that another one of you have subscribed because I love filming so much. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you ever want to see anything specific, product or a hairstyle, I actually did my hair for my wedding, so I would be so down to try out a hairstyle. Yeah, it'd be just super fun. Anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I hope to see you back again soon and all of the things. Okay, bye. Mwah.